Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to drain your boilers on your LUCCA A53 direct plumb model. We've let our A53 cool off completely. This is going to make draining the boilers, especially the steam boiler, a lot easier. We recommend letting it sit for even a couple hours just to let that cool off before you do this. Let's locate our plumbed line and find a shutoff valve. You can go ahead and turn the water line off to the machine. I will turn the machine on for just a moment and we'll go ahead and run water from the coffee boiler into our pitcher over here. This is going to be our first step to go ahead and drain the coffee boiler. As I run my group, it's going to relieve the pressure that's in the line, and once I've had it running for a second or two, we're actually going to disconnect the water line here and let it draw the rest of the water in and drain that coffee boiler. We can run it as many times as necessary until it's completely empty. Now our coffee boiler is drained. We'll go ahead and remove the pitcher. The one tool you'll need to drain your steam boiler is going to be an adjustable wrench, or if you have it, a 17mm wrench. We will turn the machine towards us and we're going to be locating our steam boiler cap on the bottom of the machine. You'll find it located here, closest to the steam boiler side. So you've got your steam wand and your steam boiler cap is closest to this side where your steam wand is. And again, we have turned off the machine. Our steam boiler has already been cooled off for a couple of hours, so we know that it's going to be safe to remove this cap. There's no pressure and the water in there has cooled down, so we're not going to burn ourselves. Using your wrench, go ahead and crack the seal and remove our drain cap, and we're going to do this over a bucket or a sink. Once it's loosened up enough, you can remove it by hand. I'll go ahead and open up my steam wand just to make sure I've got enough negative pressure to completely drain that boiler. Once your steam boiler is drained, go ahead and replace the cap. Simply tighten it by hand and place your machine back down on the counter. Draining boilers is going to be important for packing up and transporting your machine, or if you'll have your machine stored in below freezing temperatures for any period of time. Water that's left in the boilers in freezing temperatures can expand and damage those boilers, and it's safest to ship machines with the boilers completely drained. For more information on using your LUCCA A53 direct plumb model, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.